right, so there's two different kinds of sequences that we are going to deal with. There are arithmetic sequences and there are geometric sequences. Really not that complicated to figure out which is which. Arithmetic sequences, the pattern is adding, and geometric sequences, the pattern is multiplying. All right, now we have to be careful when we do this stuff because we are not able to, we get formulas that we have to use to describe these things. And in the formulas, it's going to have addition and multiplication as what's happening. So when we're describing them, we might look at that and be like, oh, they subtract 2 each time. And that's true. But what we want to try to get used to doing is saying they're adding -2. All right, they're adding -2 every single time, which is the same thing as subtracting 2. If I try to use subtraction in the formula for arithmetic, it's not that big a deal. I probably can figure it out. All right, but when I go to geometric and I talk about multiplying versus dividing, if I look at something and say, oh, they divide 2 each time, again, that's describing it. It's very accurate. However, when I go to use the formula, it's not going to work. All right, so we want to stick to adding and multiplying. When I'm using arithmetic, the adding is called the common difference. Basically meaning what's the difference between the first term and the second term. And that's what I'm adding each time. And when I'm talking about geometric, it's called the common multiple. All right, so it's called the common multiple. So to start with, I just want to go through, identify which one it is, arithmetic or geometric, and identify the pattern that's happening. What's getting added each time, what's getting multiplied each time. Start out there, and then we'll try to do some more complicated things.